Hey everybody, today I'm gonna show you the differences between the fork and clamp meters. We'll talk about their pros and cons so you can decide which one suits you best. For this demo, I'll use these UNI-T meters, the link in the description, but the info applies to other brands too. I've been using this clamp meter for a couple of years, and the fork meter for about a year now. I've done a lot of installations and diagnostics with these tools, and I mainly use two features: current measurement and hot wire detection, especially when my voltage tester isn't nearby. I have to say that the fork meter is much more convenient for me, because you can take quick measurements without playing with the clamp, especially in tight installations, like in this service panel for example. A big plus of the clamp design is that you can attach the meter to a wire, allowing it to hang on its own, while you do electrical work and monitor the readings on the screen. With a fork meter, you have to hold the device properly in your hand, and the wire has to be positioned at the base of the fork. So what about the consistency and accuracy of the readings? Here's a very simple setup, and I'm going to use a kettle as the load. As you can see, both meters show almost the same readings. Now let's see how wire placement and movement inside the fork and clamp affect the measurements. As you can see, the position of the wire inside the clamp barely affects the measurement. With the fork meter, the wrong wire position inside the fork drastically affects the measurement. This is very inconvenient and sometimes unusable, especially if you can't hold the meter in your hands or don't have proper access to the wires. So for accurate measurements, you always have to keep the wire near the fork base. So if you're deciding which one to choose, it really comes down to which one fits your work best. The clamp meter is the most versatile solution for most situations, allowing you to measure current in wires of almost any diameter. In contrast, the fork meter can only do that with wires that fit between the forks and requires precise handling. So choose what works best for you.